Okay, continuing, I figured out. So basically, you can see this is where it's getting the lock. Okay, wheel from the side. This goes in here. Got a lock. So here's the a video how everything was getting connected. I don't know if this, but there's a Y connector here. There's a red connector. I think that's it. That's the two. And then this goes to the motor. And there's the two batteries. Again, so you will find some extra. I think the wheel cover or the wheel decorator. There's actually in there. There's also maybe the rear mirror. And then you can just close this. Okay. And yeah, so this is what it looks like once it got fully assembled. Hopefully it helps a little bit.